The Commerce Bank Toggle Credit Card operates as a hybrid financial tool designed to bridge the gap between a traditional credit card and a debit card experience. The central feature of this product is the toggle functionality, which allows users to manage cash flow with precision by deciding exactly which purchases are paid immediately from a linked checking account and which are carried as a monthly balance. This serves as a direct solution for those who struggle with the temptation of overspending on credit or the lack of protection often associated with standard debit cards. By setting specific preferences, a user can automate the payment of small daily expenses like coffee or gas so they never accrue interest, while reserving the credit line for larger, more manageable purchases. Beyond the standard toggle feature, the card includes an installment plan option. This is particularly useful for individuals facing a large, unexpected expense who want to avoid the uncertainty of fluctuating interest. These qualifying large transactions can be broken down into fixed payments, though it is important to note that this convenience comes with a specific fee that can reach up to 20% of the transaction amount. Depending on how quickly a person intended to pay off the balance, this fixed fee could actually end up being more expensive than standard interest charges, so it requires a bit of math to ensure it is the right move. The card also functions as a safety net for those with a Commerce Bank checking account through its overdraft cash advance feature, which can prevent the headache of declined transactions or return check fees. When looking at the financial upside, the most significant pro is the lack of an annual fee. For a specialized management tool that offers this much granular control, not having to pay a yearly membership is a major benefit for the budget-conscious consumer. There is also a standard grace period of at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle, giving users a window to pay their purchase balance in full before any interest is charged. These features make it an attractive option for someone who is already a Commerce Bank customer and wants a high-tech way to stay disciplined with their spending habits. However, the cost of carrying a balance on this card can be quite steep. The purchase annual percentage rate is variable and ranges from 18.74% to 28.74% based on the prime rate. If someone finds themselves frequently carrying a balance or only making minimum payments, these high rates will quickly eat into any perceived benefits of the toggle system. The fees for additional services are also on the higher end of the industry standard. For example, both balance transfers and cash advances come with a fee of 5% or $10, whichever is greater. Many competitors offer balance transfers at a 3% rate, making this card a poor choice for those looking to consolidate high-interest debt from other sources. International usability is another area where the card falls short. While many modern credit cards have moved towards zero foreign transaction fees, this card charges 1% for transactions made in US dollars and 2% for those made in foreign currencies. This makes it an inefficient choice for frequent international travelers. Furthermore, there is a minimum interest charge of $2.50, meaning that even a tiny carryover balance will trigger a fee that might be disproportionate to the amount owed. The most aggressive aspect of the card's terms is the penalty annual percentage rate. If a payment is missed by 60 days, the interest rate can skyrocket to a penalty APR of 30.74%. This is a very high rate that remains in effect for at least 6 consecutive months of on-time payments. Coupled with a late payment fee that can reach up to $40, the financial consequences of falling behind on this card are severe. This makes it a tool best suited for those who are extremely organized or those who plan to use the automated toggle features to ensure their bills are covered instantly. In summary, the Commerce Bank Toggle Credit Card is a niche product that offers excellent control for people who want the rewards of credit with the discipline of debit. It provides a unique way to automate budgeting and offers a safety net for checking accounts. However, the risks are significant due to the high variable purchase APR of up to 28.74% and the even higher penalty APR of 30.74%. The high 5% fees for transfers and advances, along with the potential 20% fee for installment plans, mean that users must be very careful about how they utilize the card's features to avoid high costs. This tool is best for disciplined spenders who will not carry a balance and can avoid the punitive rates.